You wanna find a lover? I only got one love, and it's ice cream. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my nature hour. I am going to do a quick video about pecans. We know that some people say pecan, some people say pecan. Where I'm from, we say pecan. So here it goes. This is the farm that I grew up near. It is a lot of land, wide open fields, lots of trees, coyotes, and as you can see, pecans. These things grow throughout the year on these trees. They're ready around the end of fall going into winter, and they continue to fall everywhere, all over the ground. When we're picking pecans, we tend to rake them up into piles. As you can see, this long trail of leaves, and we pick through the piles to get the pecans. Sometimes we like to go around and just pick them up as we see them. Some people use pecan picking machines and tools. There are tons of different ways that you can eat them. Some people love them in their ice cream, people love them in pies, and all other types of snacks. I do not like pecans, and the reason why is because I see them every year, and I see them in such a large quantity that I'm just tired of them. These are the pecans that I picked with my brother just the other day. I wanted to show you guys how far we got within about 30 minutes. It was just half a bucket, and you can see they're very dirty, so of course you would have to wash these off before preparing them and cracking them. These are just the sacks that people use whenever they're picking them. Sometimes we take these to oil processing companies. One of my favorite pastimes as a kid was running around outside and picking pecans and attempting to crack them open with my friends and eating them as a snack. Another thing that we used to love was whenever my grandmother would make candies with it. But this is the wide open space. This is my nature video. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions about recipes, I can pass them along to people that do eat pecans. Thanks for watching. Bye.